this tutorial video, we're going to go through how to run the General Ledger Account Analysis Report, which can summarize labor costs in Tracker to predefined General Ledger account numbers. For tutorials on how to enter in General Ledger account numbers, click up here. First, we're going to go to Reports. Then we're going to Time Analysis. Then we want to find General Ledger Account Analysis and open that up. Now we have a few options here. First of which being the employees that are selected. It's only going to report on the employees you have selected here, which is controlled by this filing cabinet. For a tutorial on how to operate the filing cabinet, click up here. Alright, next we have the option for process all transactions, even if held back by approval states or reprocessing. Basically, turning this on will just display all the records in the system for the date range. With it off, it's going to hold it back if you have records that haven't been approved by managers yet. So normally, we just want to see everything, so we're going to turn that on. Then below this, we're going to have some different summary options. And rather than explaining each one with my words, we'll just go through and show you each one. So let's hit go here. And we're going to do the preview option, but you do have the option to go to PDF, Excel, or CSV. But we're just going to do preview here for the sake of time. So we'll hit go. Alright, so what this does here is it lists each employee, and then in the column, which General Ledger account number they're feeding into and how many hours they're feeding into. Next we have the department summary. We'll turn that on, preview this, and here it's showing me everything for Hamilton. Each column has the different General Ledger accounts from the different earning types. So this was my night premium, this is my regular hours, and this is my shift premium. Then we have GL account number summary. We'll preview this. On the left-hand side, we get the General Ledger account number, the description, and the total number of hours. Then we have the employee worked department summary, which will break it down based on the worked department and the employee. We also have the option here for dollars, which is going to be the most useful for the accountants out there. So if we switch that, we'll go back to our General Ledger account summary, which I think is probably going to be the most useful for the most people. We'll preview this. And here we can see the General Ledger account numbers, the description of where the expenses are coming from, and the dollar value.